Hello everyone, welcome to Tech Talk presentation. Today our topic is object-oriented design for power system application. We can see in this how object-oriented program is help for the power system application. We will see in this presentation. Object-oriented design for power system application. The planning, design and operation of electrical power system requires simulations, analysis to determine the performances and the reliability of the current and the future system. The computer simulation requires that a power system should be represented by a set of data and functions structured in certain processing algorithms to produce simulations results. Some of these softwares were designed to provide various engineering analysis ranging from load flow to transist stability. Others were developed for planning and controlling power system in real time. However, this program have approved their inadequacy and their limitation to specified power configurations. For different applications, the data structures are different depending on the programming languages. Object-oriented technology (OOT) is the newest methodology of software development which has approved to be effective tools for complex system modeling. Its greatest benefits come from helping developers express abstract concept objects clearly and communication them to each other. Object-oriented approaches use the concepts of objects as the unit of the organization. During the few last years, the application of the OOPS to electrical power system has gained widespread acceptance. Many authors have developed various packages and proposed interesting object-oriented power system model using different OOPS languages like C++, Smalltalk, Eiffel. Abstraction, which denotes the capability to capture the essential properties of an entity without induced details. It consists of filtering of details not immediately needed. Encapsulation, this defines the hiding of im- implementation. It requires the packaging of the entity into one impedance impermeable unit. Polymorphism means that an entity can assume many forms. Inheritance generalization, which allows new object classes to be defined in terms of existing object classes inheriting both data structure and behavior. Definition of methods from the defining parent class or subclass. Object-oriented relation. The relations are mathematical relation among the classes and objects. They capture association that may exist among the objects. The following relations are common. Classification. It is easier to describe the inheritance association between superclass and subclass. Aggregation. It is used to describe an aggregate class which is formed from a number of component classes. Instantiation. This refers to the case where a class is instantiated to create a specific object. Association. It describes the physical or conceptual connection between classes. Database modules and data dictionary. Database modules. The data associated with any electrical device can be stored using window-based database system and can be invoked by any analysis applications. Data can imported and exported easily by the SQL structured query language. Security of data from loss or corruption is correctly ensured. Extension to the database can be made without any difficulties. Using object-oriented programming, the optimization methods used to compute the optical power flows are designed in an inheritance structure. In this structure, low-level objects are relatively abstract or general, while higher-level ones are more problem-specific. We will divide the methods into three classes: local optimization method classes, global optimization method classes, Newton's type method classes. If the objective function has a high degree of complexity, then optimization might require the use of stochastic algorithm, the genetic algorithm, and evolutionary algorithm falls into the global optimization method classes. Due to their involuntary nature, genetic algorithm will search for solution without regard for the specific inner structure of the problem. Opti- Optimal power flows class. The optimal power flows OPF problem is modeled as a class multi-inherited from a load flow LF class and a genetic algorithm GA class and has a direct access to a main power system object class. Several computing methods are available in this class, such as the cost function method, optimal line search of the minimum, the integration of the inequality constraint, the methods for updating the design vectors. Conclusion. The complexity of the electric power system has been resulted in the need for a simulation and visualization tools for power system modeling, control and operation. In this presentation, we are seeing that how the programming is used for the power systems like we have many power electronic boards like UNO. We can code in that electronic board and we can control by our mobiles or any soft mobiles, laptops.